This funny looking thing is a BB mask, also known as the 17-minute wonder. A home skincare device LED near infrared ray BB mask. A device that is good for your skin rejuvenation and scalp care. By the name 17-minute wonder, the company stated that by using this product 17 minutes every day for 17 days, it could make your skin younger by 17 years. Hi, I'm Daddy Kicks. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification button. Disclaimer! Disclaimer! I am not a dermatologist, so everything that I will be saying in this video is just pure opinion, and I am not paid by any company to advertise this product. So before buying this product and using this product, kindly do your research and consult your doctor. We will be doing a little size comparison. So this is a 1.5 liter water, and that's the size of the BB mask. Based from the company, it's around 270 by 350 by 300 millimeters in size. And it looks like, for me, a rider's helmet. So now let's go to the parts. So first, the front part, nothing special, just the logo. Then this one, actually, it's not seen if it's far. It's like two holes for you to view your surroundings when you're using the product. Okay, so we'll turn to the other side, the useful part. So first, the straps. Next will be the LED lights. Later you will see these LED lights. I will be turning this one on. Then the on and off switch. Okay, it's on the side. Next, okay, this side, I hope you can see it. It's small and it's not visible actually in the camera. This is the power source where you insert the adapter. Next, and this is the adapter. All right. So we'll insert first the adapter on the power source. So adapter, I hope you can see it. Just plug it in. Okay. Insert it. It's on the front side of the device. Next, we'll plug the power source. So insert. Then we'll turn on the power source. You will hear a silent beeping sound. Okay, so now the LED lights, like I promised. In the video, you're seeing it's like a violet light, but in the actual setting, it's color red. I don't know why it's colored violet on the video, but what I am seeing right now is color red. Okay, I think it's violet or pink. Anyway, still, it's not the same as the actual appearance. And this is the front. In the actual appearance, without using the video, this one doesn't have the colored eyes. Right now, I'm just seeing like plain black, but in the video, you are seeing like a pink one, pink or violet color. But in the naked eye, on the actual one, it doesn't have any color. So how to place or wear? Well, this one is like wearing a mask or a helmet. Just use the straps, adjust accordingly to your head size, and place it on your head. So we'll insert or wear the mask. And just turn on. Boom. So you can see my eyes. But like I said, it's different when it's in the actual. In the actual, with the naked eye, you will not see the pink color or the violet lights. It's colored red. Okay, and then I will give a demo on dark mode. Let's see. Based on the company, the best practice before using this product for the face, use soap and water. And for the scalp, just wash your hair or your head with shampoo and water. After using this product, you would feel that your face is warm at the same time it's stretched. And for me, I have observed that after using this product, the pores on my skin is a little smaller. So my wife have tried this product for 17 days, and what we have observed is that her skin tone and texture has improved. At the same time, the dark circles and wrinkles on her face have slightly diminished, and the skin looks glossy. That's the effect on my wife. And for her niece, so for her, she has a lot of pimples on her face. But after using this product for the recommended 17 minutes for 17 days, what we have observed is that the pimples on her face has slightly decreased compared to the day before using the BB mask. So just a conclusion and my personal opinion. So we'll go to the positive side first. This thing really works. So I have tried the product, my wife have tried the product, her niece have tried the product, and also her sister have tried this product. It really works. It has shown great results. So overall, this product is nice and good. But for me, the only problem that I see about this product is the breathing part. Because as you can see, this mask doesn't have any hose. So if you put this one on your face, it feels a little hot. At the same time, you might find breathing a little difficult, but it's quite manageable and you can get used to it. Alright? So that's the only problem that I see about this product. And that is the end of our video about BB mask. I hope you liked the video, so don't forget to like the video, share with our fellow bosses, and don't forget to subscribe. By the way, my name is Daddy Kicks. Have a great day. If you like this video, hit the like button, share it with your fellow bosses, and be sure to subscribe.